my name is Sammy. I am a 4th degree black belt in Taekwondo, and today I'm going to be doing a bow staff basic strikes tutorial. If you guys are new to this channel, make sure that you first of all hit the subscribe button. On this channel we do a lot of Taekwondo tutorials, tips, and videos just to help you improve in Taekwondo. And if you feel like further supporting the channel, make sure you check out the link to my Patreon page in the description below. Alright, now let's go ahead and get started with the bow staff tutorial. Okay, so in this video, we're gonna cover the 5 basic strikes that you can do with a bow staff. These are pretty simple and easy to learn, so grab your bow staff and let's go ahead and get started with the first one, which is called the front strike. So for your front strike, you're gonna start with one of your hands grabbing on the under part of your bow staff and the other hand on the over strike. You're gonna want probably your right hand to be the one that's under and your left hand to be over, just like this. So let me scoot back, and you're gonna start in a Jumbi stance or a ready stance, just like this. And I'm gonna go ahead and do this sideways so you can kind of follow along. You're gonna step forward with your right foot into a front stance. Your right hand is gonna come up near your shoulder and strike forward. You want the tip of your bow staff to be about your nose level. That's where you should be aiming, and focus on that point. That is the point where you want your bow staff to land every single time that you strike. Let's try it again. Ready? When you're in our ready stance, step forward, lift your right arm. Your left arm is gonna shoot to your chamber position right near your belt, and your right hand goes into that forward strike, just like this. I'm gonna do it from the back so that you can follow along. Lift and strike. One more time, lift and strike. And that is your very first strike, the forward strike. Okay, the next 2 strikes are pretty simple, and we're gonna start right from that forward strike position. So you're gonna be in that forward strike. From here, what I want you to do is you're gonna make the front part of your bow staff come back over towards your shoulder where you're hitting with your left hand, and then you're gonna come right back to that forward strike. Your left hand, the part of the bow staff that is near your left hand, is going to be tucked away under near your armpits with your elbow pointing straight out so it's not in the way. So let's try that again. We're going to go strike with your left hand forward. Your bow staff is hitting the right part of your shoulder and coming right back under your armpit, hitting once again. That bow staff is pointed right towards your nose level, right at that same point. One more time. Strike, strike. And these are called side-to-side strikes. From the front view, it looks like this. Forward strike, side, side. Now from the back, so you can follow along, start off with your forward strike. Now you're gonna do the first part of the side-to-side strike. Ready? Side, side. And that is your second basic bow staff strike. Okay, so the next strike is gonna be an up and down strike, and we're just gonna build right where we left off. Let's go ahead and go into that front strike. From here, let me see your side to side that we just learned. Side, side. Now from here, you're gonna lift that top part of your bow staff all the way up to touch the top part of your shoulder. The bottom part of your bow staff near your left hand is gonna be reaching still, pointed towards your nose level. Don't let go of your bow staff that whole time. I'm just doing it to show you. And you're gonna come right back down. So it looks like this, up, down. Side, side, up, down. Keeping that elbow up that entire time and always aiming for that nose point right in front of you. The front view is gonna look like this. Front strike, side, side, up, down. And now the back view. Forward strike, side, side, up, down. Okay, the next strike is gonna be a simple over the head strike. And just like we did the other strikes, we're just gonna build right after our up and down strike. So let's go ahead and get to that point. We are here in our Jumbi stance. We step forward into our forward strike. We're gonna go side, side, up, down. Now from right here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna lift your bow staff straight up over your head, straighten out your arms. You're gonna rotate towards over your head. Make sure your right hand lands in front, and you're gonna just do a simple basic strike like that. Okay? We can also do this the other direction. Straighten your arms out, go all the way around your head, and strike forward. So a little bit faster, it looks like this. 1, 2. Always keeping your right hand forward. Now let's go ahead and do it the 2 other directions so you can see what it looks like. Jumbi, and step out for that forward strike. Side, side, up, down. Lift up your arms, rotate, strike. Lift up your arms, rotate, strike. Once again, always keeping this left elbow up and your right hand in front. Now from the back so you can follow along. Jumbi, forward strike, side, side, up, down, overhead, overhead. And those are your first 4 basic strikes. Alright, now the last basic strike is just gonna be a thrust. You can do this one forwards or backwards. So let's just go ahead and start same way, right hand under, left hand over. What you can do is go ahead and go into a front stance facing to the side. You're gonna bring your arms in close to your body and shoot out forward like this. Kind of just like you're trying to poke or stab something. It's called a front thrust, and shoot it out forward. You can also do this reverse to the back. So right from here, you're just gonna turn your head, look over your head, and then same thing, going backwards. So from here, you're gonna go forwards or back, forwards, back. Now let's go ahead and do this from a different angle. Don't forget, right hand under, left hand over. Go ahead and step into that front stance. You can start from that side to side strike motion. Now we're gonna turn our heads. Let's do the back thrust first. Ready, and back, forward, back, forward. And let's go ahead and do it from the back view so that you can follow along. Back thrust, front thrust, back, front. And those are your 5 basic strikes. I hope that this video is helpful. Make sure that you practice these strikes a lot. You want them to kind of become just second nature to your body so that your arms know where to go, so that you can use speed, power, control, always aiming for that one point in front of you so that your bow staff doesn't end up going crazy and out of control. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, be sure to leave me a comment below so I can help you get those answered. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye!